Okay, here we are at the city. The total length of this pipe is about 61.5 feet. We'll inspect the sewer for damage. It's the 6-inch clay tile line. A little offset on that joint. This one too, so it looks like this whole pipe is dropping down. They probably just did that on purpose to make it meet up with the main, the city main. They just use it to, like, kind of as a turn. Some roots there. Looks like that's where the 4x6 is. So that's where it transitions from 4-inch to 6-inch. Looks like the pipe in here is transite, which is kind of like a fiberglass type building material.
Okay.
They used it like in the 60s.
Yeah, the house
mostly.
was built in 23, so I assume there was some sewer work done at some point.
So it used to be, they'd have the cesspools in the front yard, and it would be cast iron all the way out.
Yeah.
See, you can see some of that cast right here.
So they had a main septic in the front then?
Yep.
Okay.
Most likely. I mean, that's usually what the 4-inch all the way out to the yard means.
Okay.
And see, there's like even a ring of cast iron right here. I don't see a clean out on the top of it. But sometimes that means that there is a clean out in the front yard. If they just leave that one section of cast in there. But you'd be able to tell from the top, and I can't get a good angle on that.
Yeah.
So. And then it's back to transite, back to clay. There's clay right there. Four-inch, back to transite.
So did they replace section of this at some point, or is that what the transitions are?
Yes.
So they had a bad couple foot section.
Yeah.
And the transite would be the newer material. They replaced the clay with.
Yeah. The cast. Yep.
Oh, they replaced the cast with that. Okay.
Yep. So generally these were all cast. So the transite looks good. There's that water. So that's the cast. Usually they tie in, if they're going to replace the pipe like they did, that's a little bit outside the house.
Yep.
So that's why it's only like 7 feet from this clean out. They just wanted to get past the house. And the rest of it through here is just the cast.
Everything's seen some nasty shit.